Alright guys, I just did one video, but the night is young, so I'm going to try for another one. This is room 202 by CaptainJim318. A little hang up when you go clockwise, but it works. Beautiful key. Hand filed, which I always find impressive. Just put it in there. Excuse my squeaky device, make sure it works. Alright, this one we're going to do counterclockwise. I generally like doing counterclockwise. I feel like it makes my hand out of the way more. I'm going to use one of these thin medium hooks from West Coast Picks because I can work from right there. And with a key as radical as that one, you need all the help you can get. Okay, I'm having some crunches. There we go, okay. Felt a good movement on the core. I got a lot of crunching, so I was afraid I was oversetting it. But it felt like exactly what I was looking for. Okay, a little bit of a false set. Alright, just said I think it was 3. Okay, I set 1, I believe. Ooh, there we go. We have it open. Alright. That's a fun lock. We're going to lock it up just to play it safe. It has a circlip, so I'm going to use this handy circlip remover. It's got a small circlip. Actually, I may just be able to kind of pry it off. Yep. There we go. That circlip's not quite the right size, but it works. Okay, grab our key. Now I'm going to use a shim. I could use a hollow follower, but you always run the risk of losing how things were oriented when you use a hollow follower. Alright. 6 pins. Man, look at number 3. You just barely had to lift that. Same with number 5. Our key. Number 1, torpedo. Number 2 has a single serration. Number 3 has a lot of serrations, and that was the super long one, so I could easily see myself or anyone oversetting those and falling into that trap. Number 5, also a lot of serrations. Number 6 is the only one that's unmodified. It's also the shortest. I'm seeing undercutting in 1, 2, 4, and 6, and threading in 3 and 5. Very nice. Remove our shim. Move that out of the way a little bit. Number 1 is a shallow spring. Number 2, same thing. Different spring. Number 3 was just a normal pin, which number 3 is that super long one, so it wouldn't make sense to put a security pin up there because it would never come into effect. That's interesting. That's a spring from like an American lock or something. It's so little it slipped right through my tweezers. Number 6 similar to 1 and 2. Number 5. Same sort of thing. Seeing a theme with this lock. Just like chip the wood a little bit. Oh well, we'll worry about the spring later. And number 4, same thing. So this lock. Alright, that was a spring from 3. Number 4 I can see, but it doesn't want to come out. Okay, that's alright. Any modifications upstairs? Not that I see. Close up of these. So drivers. One is a beautiful torpedo. I said drivers, I meant key pins. 2 has a single serration. 3 has a lot going on there. That was a long one. 4, kind of a wide serration. 5 also just had a lot of work. Number 6 was so short that it probably wouldn't have mattered to have anything there. Then upstairs you have a lot of similar things. Shallow, normal, shallow spool. This one's a little bit different, but I have a question about that one we're going to address next. And that one's more of just like a wide serration. So, very fun lock. I really enjoyed it. Number 6, so this one with a really short key pin. It also has a very short driver, so I wonder. Okay, so it would in fact come into play. Alright, I'd like to introduce everyone to a newer member of the family. Now that we have a house, we have a cat. We're just fostering her right now. My wife really likes cats, but we're not sure if we're ready. She just fell. She's okay. She landed on her feet, of course. And off she goes. Well, that was loud. Yeah, my wife really likes cats, but we don't know if we're ready to own one yet, so we've been fostering this one for a few months. And yeah, I joined the ranks of average picker, lockpicking patrolman I think has a cat. It seems like there are actually quite a few of you guys in the community that have them. But anyway, that is what I have here. That is room 202 by Captain Jim. If you liked what you saw, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. And thank you very much for watching.